We're digging. We're digging, honey. Come on, car. You'll be all right. You'll make it.
The left side looks a little less.
Yeah, we're fine. We made it. We're good.
I said I got a lot of rain. And this one doesn't have the rocks to help.
Boy Scouts need to get out here and like put down mulch.
I don't know that this is the Boy Scouts property. I think we're at the edge of where the camp starts.
Conservation project.
Yeah, I suppose. You come be a leader down here.
Yeah. It's self-service.
Uh-huh. This water is just so clear.
Spring.
It's been clear everywhere we've been today.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Top of the falls is that way.
You don't want to go to the top yet?
Oh yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh wow.
We'll take it.
There you go, that way.
Allie?
That'd be more like a slide down. Again. I ain't able to put it. Look at this. Fish down here. You see the shadow. bug. This way or that way, I don't know. Find out. Ow! Wow. It's an actual, like, cavern.
Cool.
Very cool, like, temperature-wise.
Temperature-wise, too.
I bet somebody's been up in here.
Oh, I'm sure.
I can't tell what's down there. Hard to see.